Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my sweet viewers and my YouTube community? I hope you all are doing good and Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Please be support me like this forever, viewers. Secondly, you can see, friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most attractive designs of crochet handmade cardigans ideas. So please don't skip this video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love these type of amazing crochet handmade cardigans. So share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive designs. I really hope that they will love these amazing crochet cardigans. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. Some like light colors and some people like dark shades and some like multi type of shades. So in this video you will see all of these shades, all of these designs and most amazing collection. Must apply these beautiful design and must make for yourself these cardigans. So viewer, thank you so much for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's a most amazing collection for them and they will get new designs and new ideas related to your crochet items. So viewer, if you all love this article and if you want more and more designs, so like my video and subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me, friends, and remember me in your precious prayers. Okay my sweet viewers, see you soon, take care and bye bye.